15 January 24. Now, Bharat is witnessing a lot of improvement in infrastructure facilities. That may be roads, airports, ports, power, railways, connectivity, and many other infrastructure, any other sectors. And we have to see what are the sources for these undertaking these projects. What are the sources of funds to undertaking these projects? Earlier, why the earlier governments could not undertake such large infrastructure projects, could not undertake large infrastructure projects. Now, the present NDA government and central government has established dedicated investment funds which attracts investments, loans by issuing shares, bonds to the people at large, which will provide the required finance to the infrastructure projects. They're divided into these financial institutions are real estate investment trust and infrastructure investment trust. These are most popular financial institutions for undertaking. These institutions will raise funds through many routes by issuing shares, bonds to the people at large and investors. These institutions will offer attractive returns on investment made by the investors because of the higher issued returns and safety of investments. The investors of these real estate investment trusts and infrastructure investment trusts are most attractive investment destinations for many investors, especially individuals, senior citizens, even small people also are investing in these financial institutions. The government is also encouraging the investment in these institutions with the support and encouragement, clear policies, assured returns to the investors. Majority of the investments through these institutions are long-term investments and which will give a lot of benefits for long-term investment to the investor. During the year 2023, the real estate investment trust and infrastructure investment trust has raised 2,11,474 crores compared to 21,166 crores during the year 2022. This concept of real estate investment trust and infrastructure investment trust are new concepts available in the Indian market for investors and which are also attracting global investors because of high rate of interest and safety of investments, undertaking the infrastructure projects early and completion of the projects before the due date fixed for completion. The real estate investment trust is also having a portfolio of commercial real estates which are already leased out, and infrastructure investment trust consists of infrastructure assets like highways. All these are already earning incomes. All these infrastructure assets are showing collections. Overall, this infrastructure investment trust and real estate investment trust are attracting investors with tremendous growth of investment. These institutions were established 7 to 8 years back. Now there are 23 registered infrastructure investment trusts and 5 real estate infrastructure investment trusts, which are having lakhs of crores of investments available for undertaking real estate projects as well as infrastructure projects without interruption, without delay. These real estate investment trusts and infrastructure investment trusts are attractive investment destinations with a longer period, not only from domestic Indian investors but also global investors, because global investors' expectation of revenue is much less compared to the expectations of Indian investors. You can see some global lenders or investors expect around 2 to 3% of their investment per annum, whereas Indian investor expects at least 7 to 8% on their investment because the banks are offering interest more than around 7 to 8%. Also, the central government through its schemes are also offering the same rate of interest of 7 to 8%. Because of the certainty of income, and early revenue recognition, and projects are on time, completed on time, and revenue is being realized. Interest payments is not a burden on these real estate investment trusts as well as infrastructure investment trusts. Because of the early completion and early revenue recognition, that these institutions able to pay to the investor the interest on time, and also being planning liquidation means maturity repayment plans according to the as per schedule of the investor.